In last lecture, we have started our fifth chapter, that is the expansion formulae. Today, we will study our next formula, that is in bracket a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the expansion of this formula. We have to use this formula and solve examples from practice set 5.2. Here I have solved some examples. You have to observe it, and again you have to solve the practice set 5.2. See the example number 2 from practice set. Here in bracket 7x plus 8y bracket cube, we have to expand this bracket by using this formula. There are 4 terms in expansion. We have to find these 4 terms and find the expansion form of this bracket. Now we can see 7x plus 8y bracket cube is equal to, in first bracket, a cube. Here a means 7x, therefore it must be 7x bracket cube plus 3 into a square. A square means 7x, therefore it should be 7x square into b. B means 8y into 8y. This is the second term. In third term, plus 3 into 7x into 8y square. This is the third term, plus fourth term is b cube, that is 8y cube. Now we have to find the values of these index numbers. Here cube of 7x means 343x cube plus multiplication of this term is 3 into 49x square into 8y plus third term 3 into 7x into 64y square plus 8y cube, that is value is 512y cube. Now we have to multiply these terms and find the final answer. Here equal to 343x cube plus second term is 1176 x square y. This is the value of this second term, plus see the third term, it will be 1344 xy square plus fourth term is 512y cube. We have to use this formula and expand the given examples by using this formula. The expansion of 7x plus 8y bracket cube will be 343x cube plus 1176 x square y plus 1344 xy square plus 512y cube. Here we have completed the second example from practice set 5.2. Now see the fifth example. Here we have to find the value of cube of 101. For finding the value, we have to deplete this number, or you have to divide this number into 2 terms like a plus b form. So instead of 101, we write here 100 plus 1 bracket cube. Now this term is like the given formula a plus b cube term. Now we have to find the value of 100 plus 1 bracket cube. Use this formula again. First term will be a cube. Value of a is 100 and value of b is 1. Now in first term is a cube, that is 100 cube plus 3a square. 3 into 100 square into b means 1 plus 3ab square. 3 into 100 into 1 square plus 1 cube. Value of 100 cube is 10 lakhs plus this multiplication product is 30,000 plus this multiplication is 300 plus 1 is equal to 10 lakhs 30,301. This is the cube of 101. We have to first in this example we have to divide 101 into this addition form, and then use this formula and find the cube of this 101. We can find this value. Now see the next example from practice set 5.2. That is the example number 8. Here different type of example is there. Now see how we have solved this. In bracket 5x upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube. Here value of a will be 5x upon y and value of b will be y upon 5x. We have to expand using the given formula, that is a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We have to put these terms in the formula. First is a cube. Value of a is 5x upon y. Therefore here should be first term 5x upon y bracket cube plus 3a square b. 3 into value of a bracket square into b. value is written here, plus 3ab square, 3 into value of a into value of b square plus b cube. Here find put the value of b bracket cube. Now find the cube value of these brackets. 5x upon y, cube value will be 125x cube upon y cube, plus this expansion, this multiplication product will be 3 into 25 square upon y square into y upon 5x, plus 3 into 5x upon y into y square upon 25x square, plus y cube upon 125x cube. Now we have to put these values in multiplication form. Therefore is equal to 125x cube upon y cube plus 3 into 5 into 5 into x upon y into y. We have to cancel some terms from this, so we have to write in multiplication form into y upon 5x into 3 into 5 into x upon y into y upon 5 into 5 into x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. Here 5 from numerator and denominator is cancelled each other, y terms are cancelled, then x terms are cancelled. Here remaining only 15x upon y. In third term, this 5 cancel, y get cancelled, x get cancelled, and the final answer will be 3y upon 5x. Therefore, after completing the given operations, we have find the final answer will be 125x upon y cube plus 15x upon y plus 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125x cube. Like this you have to solve example number 8. When you solve in your notebook, you can understand it well. So try to solve it. Here I have completed 3 examples from practice set 5.2. You have to revise it and again solve practice set 5.2 in your notebook. Try to solve it. Here we will stop today. Thank you.